Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Yuri Safrono, you might also know me as Professor Forex. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about fintech names in crypto, MoonPay. With over 30 million users worldwide and operations in 160 countries, MoonPay has quickly become the go-to fiat-to-crypto on-ramp for millions. But is it really worth all the hype? And before we get started, if you want the full written review, click the link below in the description to head over to A2Z website. Trust me, you'll want to check it out. First off, what exactly is MoonPay? Think of it as your secure gateway into the world of cryptocurrency. It's not an exchange where you trade coins, it's a service that lets you swap your dollars, euros or pounds for digital assets. Founded in 2019 and headquartered in Miami, MoonPay bridges the traditional financial system with a fast-paced, ever-changing crypto universe. Let's break down the key offerings of MoonPay. Fiat-to-crypto on-ramp. Ever tried explaining crypto to your grandma? MoonPay makes it super simple. Just pick your crypto, choose your payment method, whether it's a credit card or bank transfer or even mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you're on your way to owning digital assets. Off-ramp. Need to cash out or swap your crypto? Their off-ramp feature lets you sell, swap, and even manage NFTs right in your wallet. It's like having a built-in exit strategy for your digital investments. Crypto Swap. For those of you who like to trade, the swaps platforms offers competitive rates with no hidden fees. It's quick, secure, and designed for smooth transactions between various cryptocurrencies. NFT Checkout. If you're into digital art, MoonPay's NFT Checkout allows you to purchase NFTs using your debit card. No complicated wallet setup or gas fees, it's as easy as shopping online. Business Solutions. And it's not just for individual users. MoonPay's developer tools and APIs make it easy for businesses like wallets, exchanges, and NFT marketplaces to integrate fiat-to-crypto functionalities seamlessly. And here is a crucial point that really matters in crypto: non-custodial model. This is where MoonPay's earn respect. Unlike some platforms that hold your crypto hostage, MoonPay is non-custodial. Your keys, your crypto. You actually own the digital assets. One of MoonPay's biggest strengths is its simplicity. The interface is clean and intuitive, the menus are straightforward, and the process feels as natural as ordering a pizza. You choose your crypto, select your payment, and in minutes you are part of the crypto world. Now, let's talk money. Convenience comes at a price. Here is the laydown on fees. Bank transfers. If you're not in a rush, bank transfers incur about 1% fee. Card payments. Need your crypto instantly? Credit or debit cards transactions come with a 4.5% processing fee. Minimum fee. No matter which method you choose, there is a minimum fee of around $3.99 or the equivalent in your local currency. But here is some exciting news. MoonPay has recently introduced MoonPay Balance. MoonPay Balance lets you top up a fiat balance like dollars, euros, or British pounds and use it to buy crypto without any MoonPay fees. Top up once, trade freely, and avoid recurring charges. So why use MoonPay Balance? You have zero fees on trades after topping up. You have faster transactions because there are no repeated card or bank authorizations. You can manage your fiat balance directly on your MoonPay account. This is perfect for frequent traders or anyone looking to save on costs. Now that you are in the know about the fees and the new MoonPay Balance, you can decide which method best suits your crypto journey. Okay, security and trust. Crucial in crypto. Is MoonPay safe? Yes, actually pretty safe. Robust security measures like AES 256 encryption, military grade, unbreakable vault stuff, PCI DSS compliance, credit card data locked down tight, ICO 27001 certification, fully fledged security framework, all regulatory compliance, licensed in many places, KYC AML procedures in place to fight the bad guys and keep the platform legit, global reach, but some regions blocked due to regulations like China, Russia, and some US states. So what's the good stuff? Why people are drawn to MoonPay? It boils down to a few key things: simplicity, worldwide reach, payment flexibility, security, crypto storage options, and speed. But no platform is perfect, right? MoonPay has its nuances. Limited trading tools. If you're a hardcore trader, look elsewhere. It's built for basic buying and selling, not advanced charts or strategies. MoonPay's global footprint is impressive, serving over 160 countries. However, there are regional limitations. For instance, access is restricted in places like China, Russia, and even some US states such as New York and Texas. Always check if your region is supported before getting started. At the end of the day, MoonPay is perfect if you are a beginner who values simplicity and speed. It's great for those who want a hassle-free introduction to crypto without getting bogged down in complicated trading tools. However, if you're an active trader looking for advanced features and lower fees, you might need to explore other platforms. So, is MoonPay worth it? In my view, if convenience, security, and a smooth user experience are what you're after, especially if you're just dipping your toes into crypto, MoonPay is a solid choice. But remember, every platform has its trade-offs, so it's always smart to do your own research. If you've used MoonPay before, or if you're considering it now, drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you enjoyed the review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more crypto insights from yours truly, Professor Forex. And once again, if you are hungry for more details, don't forget to click on the link in the description below and read the full review on the A to Z Markets website. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, trade smart, and keep riding the crypto wave.